Hey folks, Mike here with Overland Archie. Today we're going to be talking about a pesky problem that I've been having with my Jeep Wrangler. Maybe you've experienced it too. There's a quick and easy way to get the problem solved. Let's get started. Recently, I've noticed a rattle coming from my driver's side mirror. There are a few scuff marks on the mirror, so that's possible that's where the rattle came from. Let's see if we can pick it up on the microphone. I can tell you that every time I close my driver's side door, that rattle gets annoying. Today, we're going to replace the mirror and see if that gets rid of the rattle. Overland Archie is not equipped with heated mirrors, so this install is super simple. If you did have heated mirrors, you'd need to remove the door panel in order to disconnect the cable from the mirror. 2 screws and the right bit are all you need. Before you take the last bolt out, I would suggest you hang on to the mirror. And that's it. The mirror will come right out. And just as easily as the old mirror came off, the new mirror will go on. Make sure you align the holes correctly. Use the existing hardware and hand tighten. Make sure those bolts are nice and snug. Give them a good tug. Looks to be secure. With the new mirror installed, you'll see that there's no more rattle. Sounds nice and solid. A quick swap and we're good as new. No more rattle. Check out the description below for a link to the replacement mirror. Also in the description you'll find a link to Overland Archie merch from teespring.com. And don't forget, we're still giving away magnets and stickers, so give us a subscribe on our YouTube video, a follow on Instagram, and send us a message. We'll make sure to get these right to you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, keep your rig trail rated and always ready.